Stick him in!
Sorry about that.
Go, Cal!
Up with the ball. Booting it forward again. Using some of that open. Sends the ball forward, but only as far as Lalo Herrera. And Herrera goes on his boot. He starts on the right boot to a lead. A good lead down there, but look at that front and center work from number 7. We'll call it number 7, Jeff Talmadge. Talmadge kicks it down. Tackle. Marvelous chase down there by the New York Magpies.
Great chase there by number 7 for the Pies. That's Jordan McIntyre. Getting in the defensive position, chasing down the forward for the Crows as he was about to slot the Crows' 3rd goal. But it's turning around, the momentum's going to swing. And there the game continues with another throw in the middle. Over there, the
in the late stages of the first half, they've got some really good players out here, the Crows. Opportunity for the New York Magpies back in the middle of the field. Hard attack on the ball to Michael Spielman, but it's all Crows as they crow the ball forward down towards Stefan Park. Oh, yeah! He goes
That's Duck Dynasty again with the hands, pops out. No one can quite take possession right now.
Big men fly down around ground levels. Jordy McIntyre could have been a pushing the back there to the New York Magpies.
Also, there's a game going on. Big hit there by Noah Carpenter Nwansu as the Pies. Oh, the Juice. Sorry, I didn't want to butcher his name, so I went with the nickname. But it does end up in the hands of his teammate. But the Magpies are able to work together, get a couple handballs, and then take a big kick and bust it back out. Go right into the waiting arms of the Austin Crows, who boot it back into the forward 50.